What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm doing a bit of urban fishing. We're going to be using some night crawlers and also some artificial bait, so stick around. Should be fun. All right, for the night crawler, we're doing a simple setup. We're just putting it on the hook and the split shot and the bobber. We're going to throw it out there and see what we can catch. And we're just gonna give that a toss and leave it out there. And now we wait. Well, I'm not only gonna bobber fish, I brought some other tricks as well. That was a funny noise. Well, I'm beginning to think that this spot might be a little bit too urban, if you know what I mean, but I do have one last trick up my sleeve to see if there's any fish here. But other than that, we might be moving to a new spot. Well, we couldn't find any fish in this location, so we're gonna move on to the next. All right, we are at our next location, and I really like this spot because it's kind of a hidden gem inside this urban town. As you can see behind me, there's the town right there, but if you look around, we're surrounded by wildlife, and it's just really peaceful here. But last time I was here, I got on a couple of smallmouth, and we'll see if I can't make that happen again. All right, my lure of choice at this location is going to be this white and chartreuse spinner bait. It's brought me luck for smallmouth in the past, and let's see if it brings me luck today. Switching over to the Ned rig now. This might be a bad idea because I know that there's a lot of rocks down here, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Yep, there's a rock. Well, I got it back and I'm not using that again. Well, I gave it my all at this location. We didn't catch any fish, but at least I got to see some beautiful scenery. I'm hoping for some fish at the next location, so let's go to that. This spot, I've got the good old reliable Texas rig Senko. Oh, had a bite. First bite of this video. Let's see if I can't turn it into a fish in this area. Gonna head to one last spot. Hopefully we can get something. We're walking up on the last location, just beyond these trees. It's a beautiful spot. Let me show you. Should be some fish here, let's hope. Not only for the video's sake, but also my sanity. Nothing better to see if there's fish in a spot than the Texas rig Senko, so let's give it a try. All right, I had to resort to this, the little ultralight setup. Let's see if we can't get something on it. Got something. Hey, finally got a fish on the day. It's about time. A little sunfish, barely hooked. Thanks, little guy. Well, that's gonna be all for that spot. I'm definitely gonna have to revisit that spot in another video because there were some people catching some decent smallmouth, but I didn't want to crowd that one area, so I'm heading out now. I'm gonna head to that boat ramp that was in my most recent video to try and get on some fish for this video, some bass at least. Catch you there. Down to the last location. Might look familiar if you've seen my other video. All right, Texas rig Senko. Let's see if it can't save this day and this video. The mosquitoes are terrible. Well, I'm throwing in the towel. Did you really think I was gonna end this video without catching a bass? Heck no, I'm going back to that spot right now and I'm not giving up until I get one. Catch you there. As I said, I am back in this spot to finish this video off the right way. Let's go. I am back at this location to make this video right with the good old Texas rig Senko and get on some bass for you guys. Here we go. I'm gonna try right over there. There's one. No, I lost it. Darn it. Oh! JC's got one. Oh, that's a pike. Huh.
Do I grab it the same way?
No.
Oh, that's what I was
grab
going
it
to
like
do.
this.
Okay.
Okay, hold it up like that. Careful, because it's really slippery. We can just get your picture from the video.
Okay.
Nice, got a pike, little baby guy. Let's get a release.
Ready?
Yep. There goes, first pike, fish bump. I'm gonna switch things up a little bit and hit him with the good old spinner bait. See if that can't give me a bite. It's getting very windy, which is very unfortunate, but I try this little jig, see if that can't get me something. I just do not know what to do today. Cannot get any fish to bite whatsoever. Fish got a bite. There's one. Come on, get in here. It's another pike. Look at that. I guess today is the day of the pikes. Another little pike. No, no. Let's get this guy back. See if I can't get something else. Well, I'm switching it up and I'm gonna now try this little jerkbait style of lure. We'll see what happens. Sure is a lot of weeds out there. This makes me want to try the jig over here. All right, I'm back with the jig. Let's see. Got one. There we go. Stay on, please. Got something on the jig. I was literally just about to give up. Let's see. Holy moly, it's a pike. I'm gonna drag this thing to the shore. There we go. I was literally just about to give up. I'm so happy I didn't. Look at that. Ooh, almost got me. Oh, there we go. I'm so happy that I didn't give up. I was literally just about to give up too. Oh my gosh. that goes to show what determination will get you. I'm so happy to end the video off on this. Oh, such a good fish. Such a beautiful, pretty fish as well. But let's get a release on it. There you go, buddy. Well guys, after that catch, I'm just gonna call it there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yesterday we explored some new places. Today we came to where we were familiar. Got our hands on some pike. No largemouth in this video, but some even cooler species in my opinion. That just goes to show determination is key when you're fishing. Thank you for watching.